Hey everybody, here's another little quickie video for your BMW E90. This one's a 2009 and we're going to do start stop button there replacement. And it's fairly simple. We ordered another replacement button off eBay. Fairly cheap, you can get them in a few different colors. We opted for the factory look and got one the same color. So here's a quick how-to on how to replace that stop button. Alright, so there's the culprit right there, a little bit worn out. Got a plastic trim tool. I'm going to pry from this side. It's attached on either end. I've seen where you can just kind of glue the sucker and pull it out, but I'm going to pull the trim off. Doesn't look too hard just to pull the trim off. So we're going to pry it off on this side and then pry it off from the other side over there. Okay, so after popping it free from the pins on either end and pulling it out, there's a ribbon cable here. So you just squeeze both ends of that on the button, and that's what the back of the button looks like. So you're going to squeeze both sides of that ribbon cable and pull it off the back. And then I just pulled this out enough so I could access back there and squeeze. Now on the back of the switch, there's a couple tabs right here. You gotta squeeze that guy in there and that guy in there, those little tabs there, and then the button will pop straight out. Boop, right at you. So now we got the button out. We're going to take it apart and put the new button in. Okay, so I've removed this ring. Just put a small screwdriver in the side. There's little clips on each side to separate it, and just pop that apart. And then with a pick tool here, I just went down in there and just pried it up a little bit, went around the sides around it, pried it up, and got this section to come out. So we're gonna, there's one hand, pull that out of there. And so now there is little clips right there. We will take those off, take that off of there, and then we'll pop the new one on. Alright, so installation is just the opposite of removal. So we've got this new one popped back on. There's a couple little rubber dealios that go on the back of here. Make sure you get those back on. And we'll pop it back into the housing, put the cover back on, and hook it back in the car. So there you go. Not too tough a job. Well worth a few bucks on eBay to get a little new switch to make your BMW look like new again. Alright, just plug the little ribbon cable back in. They're all hooked up, and there you have it. Start, stop. Nice and new, looks really good. Hey, please remember to like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.